हेलो दोस्तों, क्या हाल चाल है आपके। वेलकम टू अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो ऑन योर इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्रेंडली चैनल Foobalu. We hope you are liking our efforts and the in-depth analysis that we are delivering through our videos. So in this video, we will be going through the technical charts of all the QSR stocks currently listed in our Indian stock market and the ideology behind why QSR stocks can be an interesting value proposition at this point of time. Before we head over to the technical analysis, let's first look into the companies which are listed in this QSR space. So first up we have Jubilant Foodworks, which has Domino's, Hong's Kitchen, EkDum, Chef Boss, Dunkin Donuts and Popeyes. Next we have Devyani International, under which we have KFC, Pizza Hut, Costa Coffee and Vaango. Next in line comes Westlife Development that runs all McDonald's McCafe stores. Next is Burger King India, Cafe Coffee Day. Specialty restaurants, we have lots of brands such as Mainland China, Sigree, Hoppipola. Sapphire Foods, which also runs the chain restaurant of KFC, Pizza Hut and Taco Bell. Oh boy, and last but not the least, Barbeque Nation. Now, we at Foobalu would love to know which QSR is your favorite. So please comment below this video the name of your favorite QSR brand. So here we come to the technical charts section, and first up we have Barbeque Nation. As you can see in the daily and the weekly time frame, Barbeque Nation is in a beautiful uptrend, and in spite of the COVID lockdowns, the stock hasn't taken any major beating yet. So support levels to watch out will be 1388 and 1320. Resistance can be seen at 1530. Now let's take a look at Sapphire Foods. Well, it's a fairly new listing, so we do not have enough historical data to rely on. But be careful, as this can correct down to 1240 levels if 1320 fails to act as the immediate support. Next up we have Speciality restaurants. This is kind of in a sideways consolidation zone. As you can see from the charts, support zone can be linked at 90 while 104 is the immediate resistance. If it has to break out from this consolidation box, then 111 on the upside and 83 on the downside is the most important levels. For Cafe Coffee Day, the recent run up happened as there were social media rumors of all sorts. Now we are not going to go into all those details, but from the charts be very careful, as today there was huge selling volume as you can see on your screen, and in the upcoming days we can even see the stock hitting lower circuits. Now we cannot presume any resistance or support zones because such chart patterns usually display large scale operator movements. Now moving on to Burger King, it is beautifully holding onto its support at 135. Now in case if it does fall, the next support is at 132 and then at 128-129 levels. Coming to Westlife Development, it seems it is getting ready for a bounce. If it holds 500 levels, then we can clearly see a bounce, but if by chance that breaks, then 485 will be the next best support. On the upside, resistance can be seen at 540 levels. Now just like Sapphire Foods, you can see in the Devyani International's charts is that it is also a recent listing, and if it breaks 180 levels, then we can see the stock correcting down to 163 to 165 levels. On the upside, we can expect an uptrend only above 195 levels. Finally, we come to the charts of Jubilant Foodworks. From the looks of the chart patterns, it is likely that Jubilant Foodworks can correct down to 3670, 3638 and 3581. Now, if you have watched this video till this point, then please do like and subscribe to our Foobalu community. Your likes and comments give us tremendous support for the efforts that we produce. Also, during the starting of this video, we mentioned we would describe the ideology behind why we think QSR stocks can be in demand going forward. If you are interested to know the logic, then comment below and we will pin our answer on top of our comments section. Till then, happy investing!